Having a good ad is not only having the ability to stand out, but sometimes to blend in. So let's take a look at this. I'm scrolling through here, and all of a sudden I see that an incredible $49 smartwatch has taken the United States by storm. Now, I know that this is an ad because I've been doing this for a while. However, most people will take a look at this and they'll click on it and they'll end up buying something. But at the bottom left, way at the bottom, you'll see that it's an ad. Let's take a look at something else that blends in really well. So I'm scrolling through here, and then all of a sudden I see that man who predicted 2020 crash says now is the time. Now the picture could probably be a little bit more clear, but this is very catchy. It blends in well. The title makes me want to read it. And then the people who click on it are more likely to read the article, click on whatever it is, and then buy something. So not only do we have to focus on standing out and getting attention, but also it's really good to learn how to blend into whatever platform that you're advertising on. Hope this tip helps. I'll talk to you all later.